Oh gosh, I had, I don't know, like 7 years of continuous pain. I had, it was in intervals, come and go, but then when it came, they were really bad. I couldn't work out, or I'll work out, but then there's only certain things that I could do. Certainly couldn't run, or I will do it sporadically, and then I had to be on anti-inflammatories, and that was the only way to get rid of it.
Was it getting worse as the years were progressing?
I feel, yes, it was definitely getting worse.
Was it getting in the way of your sort of ability to work, do the normal things that we take for granted outside of sport?
Well, yeah, I mean, I was using a standing desk because sitting was painful, so I couldn't really sit for a long periods of time. Sometimes I would be able to, but then when the pain came back, then I had to solve it somehow.
Mm-hmm.
And for the most part, it was just taking anti-inflammatories.
Okay. So we did the procedure, and then just describe for me what happened after that. Not the first couple of days, but afterwards, how did things go for you?
You know, it felt like I had something heavy on me first.
Mm-hmm.
Like
a pressure.
Yeah, a pressure. Like I was carrying something around my waist,
Mm-hmm.
in a way. Light, but carrying something. And it wasn't a clear sensation, black and white, of what was going on. I just knew that something was going on there. But I guess the clear outcome was how I felt after exercise.
Right.
So the next day, actually, after you did the procedure, I went running, and I ran 5 miles in the morning.
Have you run 5 miles like that prior?
Not really.
Wow.
So immediately, because you said I should just try it, so I did immediately, and I came back and I was completely shocked that I could. I mean, yes, the pain was a little bit, it was there, but it wasn't horrible.
Right.
And it got progressively better.
And so, percentage improvement wise, overall, from before we did the procedure to now, which has been several weeks, or actually several months, overall percentage improvement, what would you say?
Oh, 80%.
Mm-hmm.
It's hard to tell. I feel like it's still getting better. I see changes. I mean, it's only been a couple months, I think, right? So I feel like I'm still seeing the changes.
Good. Are you limited in any way now in any activities?
No, I'm not. I'm moving on with everything. So the running was a big one, and finishing a race. So.
And you have another race coming up now.
I have another one coming up, and next week. Yeah.
Perfect.
So yeah, I'm moving on. Things that I didn't think I was able to do before, but now I'm doing them again. So big change.